Hello everyone! The best electric guitars for beginners have come a long way. And today, you can buy a great beginner electric guitar for a low price without sacrificing build quality. All product links are available in the description. You can check them out for the best prices. Let's start. 1. Squier Classic Vibe 60s Stratocaster. The Squier Classic Vibe 60s Stratocaster is the most expensive guitar on this list, and it's a great guitar, right up there with the 50s Telecaster. The Classic Vibe series guitars are great for both beginners and pros. The reason they're some of the best electric guitars for beginners is because they're a long-term investment. The high-quality guitar pickups on this instrument make it great for almost any style of music. Second, PRS SE Standard 24-08. Although a slightly more expensive option, PRS prides itself on using the finest materials to build the SE range of guitars. This is evident in the powerful humbucking true single-coil tone and easy playability due to the thin neck profile. The PRS SE Standard 2408 is built for the modern player. Using the PRS TCI S pickups, it creates an 8-pickup configuration that allows you to dial in your perfect tone and covers 2 octaves using the 24 frets. 3. Squier Classic Vibe 50s Stratocaster. If you want a beginner guitar that will last, it's not the cheapest, but the build quality, top-notch specs, and incredible playability will make your first chords much easier. The Squier Classic Vibe series is known for offering high-quality specs at a much lower price than a proper Fender, and the Squier Classic Vibe 50s Stratocaster is a great guitar for the price. If you don't like Strats per se, the beginner-friendly range includes Telecasters, Jaguars, and Jazzmasters, so at least one of Squier's extensive range of guitars would be suitable for this early stage of your guitar-playing journey. 4. Yamaha Pacifica 112. The Yamaha Pacifica name is known for quality, tone, and value. Without a doubt, these are some of the best electric guitars for beginners. I know working professionals who use these as their primary or backup guitars. There's a lot to love about the Yamaha Pacifica 112 guitar. Yamaha loads it with high-quality pickups to achieve a Strat-like tone. The biggest difference is that they use a real humbucker in the bridge position. With the Yamaha Pacifica 112 pickups, the guitar can be much more versatile than the Squier for heavier music. 5. Squier Bullet Mustang. This guitar is a small guitar that's not as long as a regular instrument, making it very comfortable for smaller players. Since many beginner guitarists are young, it makes sense to include one of the best guitars for small hands. Enter the Squier Bullet Mustang. In fact, we loved its rough and ready playability, and we'd happily recommend it as one of the best beginner electric guitars and one of the best guitars for kids overall. At under $200, you can't go wrong. At the end, choosing a first electric guitar that is comfortable, easy to play, and sounds good is important to get started in the best possible way. That's it for today's rundown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. See you in the next one.